Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So if you haven't heard yet, there's a company called Tryp rides that's getting a little bit of heat right now. One of the former CTO basically quit. Well, he resigned. I think he just resigned a couple months ago. But whatever the case is, he's speaking out and revealing some information about them, and they're basically ending, from what I understand. They might not be, but from what I hear, they're just, I don't want to spill too much, information about them that I don't know about, but from what I understand, this is no way against Tryp rides. If you're watching this, Tryp, I'm actually rooting for Tryp rides. I don't, promote Tryp at all. But I wouldn't necessarily say I'm rooting for them, but I'm rooting for a new rideshare company. I mean, obviously Uber and Lyft have their fair share of problems. Obviously drivers have been upset for years with them. There was a new company out called Juno and Via that, were trying to start a new company, and for whatever case they couldn't really get big. But there's a company called Ola, which is like huge in other countries. So a new player in the game, I'm all for it. When I heard that they were starting, I thought it was cool that they were trying to start a new company. I did see a lot of problems with it. They basically, from what I understood, and again, I could be wrong, these are just my thoughts on how I was marketed to it, because yes, a lot of people reached out to me. They basically said that it was I kind of understood that it was an MLM, which if you don't know what an MLM is, it's essentially a multi-level marketing company. Now, so they're based on referrals, on a referral system. Not like Uber or Lyft. I mean, most companies have some form of referral system. You invite somebody up to be an Uber driver, there's some sort of kickback, some form of commission, but for a multi-level marketing company, usually you have to pay to sign up. You pay us a fee. I think with Tryp, there were like 3 levels. You can either pay like 79 bucks a month, 100 bucks a month, or 200 bucks a month or something. Again, I could be wrong on those exact numbers, but you pay to be a driver. You pay to be a driver. I know it sounds weird, but you pay to have a job. It's not weird for people in this whole network marketing. Network marketing is the same thing. Basically what ends up happening with these people who sign up, they pay into the program, and then they end up dedicating like their lives to signing up new people, and they're so hyped about it. They usually throw launch parties, they usually throw webinars, they usually throw training calls, weird business meetings, and they usually have flashy cars, flashy houses, flashy everything. And they want you to sign up because they get money when you sign up for it. So, and then you have to pay in. And then their $100 a month fee or whatever gets down to like 90 bucks a month. And you're paying in the 100 bucks fee too. This is just a general MLM. And then they sign up another person. And then to the point where sign up enough people, now they're paying $0. They just signed up 10 people, and now they're paying $0. But if those people then sign up other people, they also get a commission, a kickback. And until the person up at the top is making a bunch of money and the people at the bottom are all stuck paying the fees because they can't recruit their friends, or they can't recruit. So if you have any friends who are in this, they'll probably try to sell you something because they got into it and then, they can't get out of it. So now they're stuck and they're trying to, make their money back. And for whatever reason, it's kind of sad actually. So just listen to me really quickly because I do have some thoughts on this. It's a much bigger picture, and I think the people who actually started it were pretty smart to go into rideshare, because they could have picked any industry, right? They could have picked makeup, skincare. You'll see a lot of these MLMs in makeup or skincare or something else. But the reason they picked rideshare is because think about the people think about people who are rideshare drivers. This is not just, I'm not bashing anybody, but a large majority of rideshare drivers, need no education to be a rideshare driver. You need no skill, and I know I'm probably gonna get some hate for that, but really, if you think about it, all you need is a driver's license to start. Sure, yes, it takes definitely some skill transporting people safely. I'm not downplaying any of that. You need to be a good driver to, you know, be a full-time Uber driver, but to sign up, I'm talking about, just to sign up, you don't need any skills. You don't need a skill set. You don't need any education. The only thing you need to be is 21 years old and with a driver's license and a car. You don't even need a car. They'll rent you a car. So the reason that they're tackling rideshare drivers, and again, is because most of these drivers are living paycheck to paycheck, or not even paycheck to paycheck. A lot of drivers just drive just to pay for their own gas in their car. No savings at all. And I know maybe you're watching this and you have no savings, and maybe you're realizing that, shoot, you know, I'm in this category, but hey, you know, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And I'm not saying this is a forever thing. A lot of people like me, I've been a full-time driver in the past. That's when I signed up. I was driving 30, 40 hours a week, guys. And now I'm not doing it right now at all because of the whole, you know, pandemic. I'm not even hanging out with anyone. I'm here by myself. I'm gonna get a roommate or two soon, I think. But regardless, I'm not going out and driving right now. But what I was trying to say is that people use rideshare for a certain amount of time in order to achieve a goal. For me, it was pay off my credit cards, pay off my car, and then pay off my student loans. That was my journey. And for a lot of people, it's just getting by, getting through the next day. So what do they think when they see an opportunity like Tryp? Oh, get rich, recruit all your friends, and you start making millions of dollars. Guys, these people said that you're gonna make 20, 30, 50,000, 100,000 bucks a week on this thing. I'm not even joking. Like, people are just spewing out all these crazy things, and then you're gonna have to pay money, and they're just like leeching off of you. So, I mean, yeah, it's pretty nuts. Tryp is, let me just go through the app really quick. Again, I don't technically have anything against Tryp or the people who started Tryp. I think it could have worked, but the way that they're marketing it, the way that their pay system is set up is not, like, I would never pay for my own job, you know? Here we go. This is triprides.com. This is their website, guys. Request, ride, repeat. So they are still up, on-demand rideshare service, putting the driver back in the driver's seat. And they basically, like, their whole marketing technique is putting down how horrible Uber and Lyft is to get you to sign up for this company. So you guys know, I mean, I'm sure if you know any people, have any friends who are rideshare drivers, or if you look in the comment section, not a lot of people, well, I wouldn't say not a lot, but a lot of people don't like Uber and Lyft. So they're using that marketing technique to get people to sign up. Keep 100% of the ride fare and tip. I've heard drivers say, oh, we need 100% of the ride fare and tip. Well, how do you think that Uber makes money? By having a service fee. How do you think they're able to pay their employees? By having a service fee on every ride. Drivers only pay a low monthly fee of $39.99. Is that what it is? Yeah, that's the lowest. You're only able to do 50 rides a month. So even there, like, it should say that's the minimum. Like, the whole marketing thing is a little off here. So 39 bucks a month, you can only do 50 rides. 79 bucks a month, you can do 125 rides a month. What's 125 divided by 30 days in a month? You're able to do 4 rides a day, and you're paying 80 bucks a month. Does anybody else see a problem with that? Now let's do 150 bucks a month. Now you can do unlimited rides, and you only have to pay 150 bucks a month. And the problem is they want people to sign up and start paying this stuff before they even have any riders at all. So, like I said, I mean, like, maybe if they charge 10 bucks a month, I don't know. Even that I wouldn't do, but like, charging somebody $80 a month and they can only do 4 rides a day, like, come on guys, is that a joke? I guess their chat box is up. Hey there, ask us anything or share your feedback. Leave us some message. They're back tomorrow. Like, their customer service, like their support, they're not even here. They're gone for today. And it's a Tuesday. Like, where are they that they can't answer me today? I don't know. Maybe they're out of business or something. Anytime, anywhere. Happy drivers, happy riders. How is Tryp rides different? Want to save money, get better rides, and enjoy total peace of mind? Check out the Tryp rides transferring rideshare. But it doesn't even say how it's different. Like, if you're gonna put that as a headline, why wouldn't you answer your own question? They don't even answer the question. Click on take a Tryp ride. Not a member yet? Don't worry, simply enter your like, you can't even download the app. And how long have they been up? Over a year now? Yeah, they've been out, guys, for almost a year and a half, I think. I think I got a message from somebody in November of 2018. Was that right? November of 2019 probably. No, 2018, saying that we're about to launch, and it's been over a year and a half. There's another one called Vibe Rides, I think. Vibe Rides. Is this the other one? Yeah, Vibe Ride. I think this is pretty much changing up the vibe. Like, look at these marketing. They have like, what makes Vibe Ride different? 3 ways to earn. Earn when you drive, earn when others drive, earn when customers drive. This is a similar one. I think this is also like an MLM. Are they actually active though? Drive, okay. Ready to drive for Vibe Rides? It looks like they actually are active. Maybe they're actually working. Yeah, they even have a corporate office. I don't know. Okay, let's try to become a driver for Vibe. This is another MLM, guys. Pretty similar. I'm pretty sure. Should I get the app? Oh gosh, I'm becoming a Vibe ride driver. They're actively recruiting people during the coronavirus. Perfect. I have so many apps on my phone, guys. How many apps do you guys have on your phone? Okay, here we go. Vibe ride. Vibe driver. Cool. Vibey, bro. They need to customize your profile picture? No, thank you. Don't thank you. Don't allow. No. Don't allow. I don't want to enter my... Bro. Okay, I'm not going to sign up, but yeah, guys. I mean, I just want to talk a little bit about my thoughts on it. That's how I feel. I don't recommend ever signing. I would never recommend any of my friends to ever sign up for a multi-level marketing company or a network marketing company or something where you have to pay to work. You shouldn't ever have to. If you have to pay to get a job, it's probably a scam. So, or it's a weird company that you shouldn't pay to work, because if they needed you to pay to work, if you're paying to work, you're probably the customer. Put it that way. But yeah, guys, just be careful out there. Yeah, be careful of new money making opportunities. And yeah, that's all I have for today's video, guys. Sorry, my hair is getting crazily long right now. I haven't been able to get a haircut. So anyways, thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.